Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do subscribe, turn on the notifications and like my videos. I hope my videos will entertain you. So hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to boil pasta based on what I learned online and at home. And so let's get started. So first you need about 2 liters of water. To boil it till it's boiling point or it's bubbling. I like to add a little bit of salt just to give the pasta a little flavor, and I also drizzle some oil into the boiling waters to ensure that the pasta don't clump together during the cooking process. So in this video I am using 250 grams of angel hair pasta, and you don't have to break the pasta strands into two to fit into the pot, because the boiling water will soften the pasta on its own. So let it boil for 8 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Wait, who was that? Okay, never mind. So remove the pasta from the boiling water. Please do not throw the water because it makes good pasta sauces later. So then just remove it as how I do. I would like to add a little bit of oil just to make sure that the pasta strands don't clump, and oregano to give the aroma to raise your eating appetite. Ready to serve, and thank you for watching.